Hi, my name is Erika, and today I'm going to be talking about ScreenForms. So a ScreenForm is an icon we use within many of our apps to serve as sort of a window into viewing another screen. So if you look here on this test app I have, we have just 3 little tabs, and then this bordered region is our ScreenForm. So you can see here when I click on a tab, it will change what is being viewed in our ScreenForm. So there you have it. We have 3 different views. So what this is actually doing is, if I open up the object editor into this app, you can see here that I have 3 different screens. So this first one is screen labels, our second one is screen buttons, and then our third one is screen images. So if I go ahead and come into screen design, how the ScreenForm works is you can give it a width and a height, and that determines how much of our source screen we're going to be viewing. So let's say I make this small, then that's the only view you're going to see of that screen. And then this is the important part. This is our source. So you can see here it's pointed to screen labels. And then if I change it to screen buttons, you can see here that it changes to buttons. For now, I'll change it back to screen labels. Okay, another thing to note is our view left and view top. So usually we like to keep it at 0, 0. But there might be cases where we want to change the view. So view left determines how much to the left the view should be shifted. So if I change this to 20, you can see it shifts to the left 20, and then if I change this to, let's say, 50, it shifts down 50. So that might be a useful thing to be implemented within whatever app you want to create, but like I said, usually we like to keep this at 0. So that's kind of how we get our form to work. It's pretty simple to implement. And now let's look into our tabs, which control the ScreenForm source. So just really quickly, if we hop into our very first tab, you can see on the on-click, all I'm doing is changing that form source to screen labels and then sending that to the client. And then similarly with the tab buttons, changing the source to screen buttons and screen images for the images tab. So that basically wraps up how we got the tabs to switch the form sources and how useful a form source can be for displaying different types of information. So as you can see from our tutorial, a ScreenForm is a very simple way to change what content we want to be viewed within a certain area of our screen. Usually, if we didn't have a ScreenForm, we would have to build all these icons again and again after we switch tabs, but you could see how simple it was to just use a ScreenForm that points to a screen that's already built and already has that information. It's very simple and easy to follow, and very simple for the developer to implement as well. So I hope you got to learn a lot about ScreenForms today, and if you want to learn anything else about Appward and our platform, please visit appward.com or look at our YouTube page.